Hi guys, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Mrs. Bloom. I'm the ag teacher here at the high school. This year I am taking over the junior class fruit sale fundraiser because Mrs. Unverferth is out on maternity leave. So basically this video is just for anyone who can't make it to the activity period meeting tomorrow, October 7th, or for anyone who's a student at Advantage and isn't going to get a chance to talk to me in person. I basically just want to explain what is in your fruit sale packets, what the rules are and what you should expect, and then where you can pick those packets up. So I'm going to use Kenzie Fortman's packet as an example. When you open it, you're going to see quite a few things right off the bat. The first thing you are going to see is my contact information. So this has the school phone number. It actually has my old email on it. So if you knew me as Miss Norman before I was married this summer, you can still email Samantha.Norman or you can email Samantha.Bloom at Kalida Schools, and both of those will show up in my inbox. There is also a Remind group. I know some of you guys are familiar with the app Remind. I just made that group, so if you want to get any important information, reminders, notifications, updates, that's the group for you. I promise not to spam you, and as soon as it's over, we'll get rid of the group, but that's just a resource as well. And then if you don't know where to find me in the school, I'm in the ag room. So moving on, I have an entire packet for you. If you open it up, you can take the papers out. First thing to notice, the packet, this is just like a visual of everything we're selling. It has all the prices in it, what we are or are not selling. There's an order form on the back. Please do not use this order form, okay? Don't use it, that's why there's an X through it. When in doubt, the prices in this packet, they should be all correct. I had students help me write them in. When in doubt, go with your paper order form, which I will show you next. Can you find it? Alright, this is your paper order form. It is where you're going to put your name. It is also where you're going to put the customer's name and then what they ordered. There's a total box on the right hand side and along the bottom. Okay, if you're not sure how to fill that out, you can come find me. Basically, let's say Mr. Myers buys a box of navels and a half pear box. What you're going to do is you're going to put a 1 in each of those columns and then write his total money over here. You must collect the money when you sell the fruit. If I do not have fruit money for an order, I will not place the order for that customer. So this is the order form you're using. Use this one, not this one. Okay? Excuse me. There is also a guideline sheet. So basically, if you, sorry, gotta go the opposite way. If you are unsure of anything or you don't remember this video, it just has the guidelines. So the FFA, I keep saying FFA, I am so sorry. The junior class fruit sale is going to run from Thursday, October 8th until Thursday, October 29th. October 29th is when you need to have these packets back to me by. Fruit delivery, we are looking at the week of December 7th through December 11th. This is just a tentative date. So, whenever the fruit comes in, whether it's during that week or it's early or it's late, you are responsible for picking up the fruit and delivering it to your customers that day. If not that day, the immediate day after. Once it leaves my shop, if it's expired, if there's a problem with it, that's on you, not on me. Okay? Money, again, you have to collect money when you take the orders. Checks can be made payable to Kalida High School. Incentives. So if you sell 15 items, and it can be any 15 items, we're going to have a pizza and pop lunch during December 15th, so right before the holiday break. If you sell 25 or more items, you will receive a $1 commission for each unit sold. So let's say you sell 27 boxes of clementines, you would make $27 in commission. Proceeds are going to your prom. So everything you sell is directly impacting the decorations and everything else that goes into that. Mrs. Unverfurth is handling the prom side of things, so I will leave that to her. If you choose to not sell fruit, or if you do not sell the required minimum 5 units, and that can be 5 of anything. It can be 5 gift baskets. It can be 5 boxes of navels. It can be 5 bags of apples, or any combination of things. If you do not sell 5 items, you are required to pay a $25 kind of a fair share fee. Okay, so you have to pay in $25. If you know from the start that you are not going to sell fruit, you don't need to jerk anyone around. Just say that, and you can bring in a check or cash, and we'll mark you off the list and just be done with it. Also, the fruit prices are laid out at the bottom of this sheet. It says what variety of apples we have this year instead of Granny Smith. We are selling Evercrisp apples, which are very good. They're very sweet. And then our Kalida gift basket, it provides a description of what's in that along the bottom. And then I have kind of printed out an FAQ sheet, so just any questions you may have. If you have questions beyond this, feel free to get a hold of me. But, I'd rather you guys just have the information readily available. So fruit, tentatively, we are going to plan for Tuesday, December 8th after school. I will be here from 3:05 to 8 p.m. for you to pick up your fruit. And then tentatively on Wednesday, December 9th, you can pick up fruit from 3:05 to 5:30. All right, so I'm going to be staying all night the first night. The second night, you really got till about dinner time before I need to go home. Again, those days are tentative because I do not know exactly when the fruit will be delivered. You need to try to deliver your fruit immediately. I know if you're athletes or you're involved in a lot of things, excuse me, it's tough. I understand that, but you really have to get your fruit out to customers. If you have spoiled fruit, you should be checking your fruit when we're sorting it in the shop anyways. I will be going through everything. We can get new boxes of fruit sent to us. Like, let's say we have an entire case of clementines that's spoiled and moldy. The Florida Farm Bureau will send us more, but we have to let them know within 24 hours. Okay, so if you know something is wrong or you find something wrong, you need to let me know immediately. If you did not get all the fruit you were supposed to, when you are leaving the shop, first of all, I should be checking your orders. You should be checking your orders. Then you have to sign everything out. But mistakes happen. If you were in my class last year, you know they happen. So if there's a problem, you need to let me know immediately. We're going to double check all the forms and either just realize it was a counting mistake on your part, or we need to get you some more fruit. Okay, we'll figure it out. If the fruit is delivered before 7th period on Tuesday, and you are someone that has 9th period study hall, we will let you start loading your cars at 2:45 to kind of beat that rush. Okay. So the earliest you could load your fruit is during 9th period study hall, because let's say it happens to be a sunny day in December, I don't want it spoiling in the back of your car. What else? If you absolutely cannot get your fruit delivered to your customers the day you pick it up, you need to store it in a cool, dry place that's about 40 to 45 degrees. At night, at that point, it should be getting cooler, but you cannot let the fruit freeze. If it freezes and then thaws, that's where we're going to have a spoilage issue. So typically, like a garage, that's not heated would be the best. You don't want to leave it out where animals are going to get it. I would say the last resort would be to keep it in your car overnight. Okay. We're going to have that pizza lunch on December 15th during 6th period. If you did not sell 15 items, let's say you didn't meet that goal and you still want the pizza party, you can pay me $5 and we'll let you have the pop and pizza incentive. And then commission checks will not be given out until after fruit sale is finalized. So probably in those 2 exam days before Christmas break is when we're looking at those going out. Although it could be after the new year. If you have a customer that wants a refund, if someone gets angry or is upset, don't deal with them, send them to me. I would rather I'm the one getting yelled at and handling the situation than putting that on you guys, and then my um, contact information is there too. Um, we do not order a ton of extra fruit. So once the fruit is here, if someone wants extra, the limited supply we're going to have is going to be kind of on a first come, first serve basis. Tell people to not plan on there being a ton of extra stuff. So, wow, I've been talking for 10 minutes. All right, if you have any questions at all, please get a hold of me via email, remind. I think you can message me on Schoology. You can call the school and they'll patch you into me. Um, I'm gonna try to be around the next couple mornings and afternoons. Um, if you need to come in and get your stuff before the fruit sale starts on Thursday. What I'm gonna do though is I'm going to set any packets that were not picked up by students because they were advantaged or couldn't be at the activity period. They are going to be in my greenhouse outside by the ag room. The greenhouse is open, it's unlocked, it should not be running water right now. I have the water turned off. Your packets will be in there. You can stop by and get them anytime. If it gets to be Thursday afternoon and you don't have your packets yet, I'm probably going to be reaching out to you like, hey, you need to get this and you need to hit the ground running. Because Lipstick and Miller City are also selling fruit. So you are kind of competing within the county for from 3 different schools to sell as much fruit as you can. So I think that's it. Place an order, collect the money immediately. Packets are going to be in the greenhouse. You guys know where to find me. When in doubt, reach out. Alright, have a good day. Thanks, guys.